Okay, installing the SRT wheels along with the Atturo AZ850 245/45/20s on the Charger. They will be replacing these 18-inch Touring rims. Tires on them are Cooper, is it 25/60 on 18. Things that you will need a jack. In my case, I need some new lug nuts. In this case, I went with Metgar, where my Metgar is at. Made in the USA. They are the locking version. You're gonna need a breaker bar, torque wrench, and a socket to remove them. So let's get to work. Also, when you use your jack, be sure to use the correct jacking points. You'll see a cutout here on the bottom trim, and at this very top you will see the pinch weld. Let's see if we can get a good look. It's kind of hard to do it, but believe me, your pinch weld is there. As a tip, when you are removing any wheel, you want to use not the least amount of force, but the easiest amount of force that you can apply, in this case your body weight. So when you're removing your lug nuts, use your body weight to lean into it towards the rear of the car, which should be counterclockwise. Do the same thing. Use your body weight to help push down. That'll loosen them up. And again, this is before you start to jack up your car. Once your car is jacked up and off the ground, at least that front tire, you're going to want to have some insurance. So go ahead and slide your rim underneath the car, remove your handle. Now you have some safety when you remove your wheel. That's what I meant by safety. So now for a couple seconds, to remove this wheel. Line this up. Like I need to jack this up a little bit more. Now we will slowly let the car down off of the jack. This is an older jack, so I'm going to open and close it in order to release the pressure in that hydraulic. Alright, as that's coming down, we will get our torque wrench ready at 110 foot-pounds. Where is it at? we can go ahead and tighten everything down. Again, we want to use our body weight, lean in. And because we are using an extension, the reading of the 110 foot-pounds will be a little bit off. So we're going to give it a little bit more oomph once we hear that click, just to make sure everything's buttoned down. Here's our body weight. We move in a star pattern. Go one time around. Actually, we'll follow that same star pattern. And the install is now complete. So we do the same thing on all 4 corners.